going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back today. It is Tuesday, January 2nd. Happy New Year to you and yours. I'm sorry I didn't post a video yesterday. With New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day, just a lot of personal stuff going on for the holidays. So I was not able to get a video up for you guys yesterday. Plus, I had a very dope sneaker pickup from Nike that was expected to be delivered today. And it was. So we're going to be getting into an unboxing, review, and on feet look at that. Just two quick things before we get into this. First, the Richie Ruckus Sneaker Things hoodie will be restocking this Friday, January 5th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They are $25. I ship internationally, and these are the most limited drop to date. This is the second restock I'm doing for you guys. I appreciate all the love and support I have gotten over these hoodies. It has really introduced me to a lot of dope people and has brought new subscribers to the channel. So for you guys, I am very grateful for that. So we're going to be doing one last final restock, very limited quantity. They will be ranging from a small to a 2X, and this is the last restock, guys. If you do not grab them this Friday, they are gone for good. I will not be bringing back the Sneaker Things hoodie again. Second, I recently was a guest on a new YouTube channel. It is called Sports Shop. It features Jeff Mosher and Eitan Shander, two local sports guys who are on the radio. Jeff Mosher is really big with the NFL as well, but they are on 97.5 The Fanatic here in Philly, and they just started a new web series with Toot the Barber, who is, a humongously popular, famous barber here in Philly. And they pretty much just do like a round table barbershop talk, It's a very, very dope concept what these guys got going on with their channel. I recently was a guest on there. They interviewed me about the hoodie and sneakers and Kanye West. Jordan's kind of fallen off as far as in the public eye. It was a very dope experience, a very great interview, and I will forever be grateful to them guys for having me on there. I will link their channel down below. Make sure you guys go give them a follow as well as all their social media. I'm actually very, very excited about this sneaker. It's a sneaker that I've been a fan of. I have showed tremendous support for on this channel since the OG has been released. They updated the sneaker and they kind of gave it like a fall-winter type vibe. I was very stoked to see these were releasing. They came out the day after Christmas. I tried tracking them down in-store. I wasn't able to, so I had to use the sneakers app to secure my pair. All right, guys, so we got a blacked-out Nike box. It is the drawer type that has the slide. Very, very similar to what you see on a Jordan 11. You guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. It is the Nike Vapormax Chukka slip. You guys know how I feel about Vapormax. Know how much I love them. You know how they're pretty much they're probably my most worn sneaker of 2017. Glad Nike is moving forward with this design. It is a laceless mock type Chukka, and it's this whole overlay that has the swoosh is like a spandex mesh type hybrid that is very stretchy. They look super comfortable. Nike abandoned the fly knit on these, so I feel like these are going to be a little bit more durable, a little bit more warmer in the fall winter months. It just recently snowed. We're supposed to get even more snow, so this is definitely a dope sneaker to wear around the streets here in Philly with the snow. I love that they took the Vapormax and just essentially winterized the sneaker. I love the mid-high top type cut they gave the sneaker. I think it's dope that it's laceless. The overlay is fire. The colorway on this is just perfect. It's that pure platinum colorway, which can be seen on the original OG Vapormax models. And you got the clear Vapormax air unit. You got an infrared and black pull tab on the back, kind of going almost diagonal, a little bit crooked. Nike branding on the tongue. Just a very dope silhouette. My only concern with these is getting them off and on. Like I said, this mesh is flexible, but like over the top of your foot, it really doesn't have that much give. I love the pattern on the toe box too. It kind of goes throughout the whole upper. It's almost like, it actually looks like piles of snow. I know that's not what they were going with, but it's just a very, very dope look. That's pretty much it, guys. We're going to jump into the on-foot look. I will be back tomorrow. I hope you guys are having a tremendous start to your 2018. But until tomorrow, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus Beats.
New Vapormax. Otis! Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.